Hello friends, welcome to AffairsCloud Learn to Lead. Good morning to all the students. As you know, we already started topic-wise current affairs in detailed manner. It means one topic, one video in detailed manner. And today topic of discussion is the completion of 7 years of SWAYATT Initiative. The SWAYATT stands for Startups, Women and Youth Advantage through the e-Transactions. So on 6th of March 2026, the Government e-Marketplace, which is also known as GEM or Government e-Marketplace, celebrated the 7th anniversary of SWAYATT Initiative. This is Startups, Women and Youth Advantage through the e-Transactions or electronic transactions. And this initiative was celebrated in the office of New Delhi, and it reaffirming its commitment to promoting social inclusion by integrating startups, women entrepreneurs and youth into the national public procurement ecosystem. So one event was basically organized, and the event brought together policymakers, startup founders, women entrepreneurs and ecosystem partners to review the initiative impact and discuss its future roadmap. And this event was addressed by Ajit B. Chavanji, additional CEO or Chief Executive Officer of Government e-Marketplace, presented the opening perspective on the progress and the future roadmap of the SWAYATT initiative. So a short documentary was also presented capturing the 7-year journey of SWAYATT and was also screened, showcasing how the initiative has expanded opportunities for the startups, women entrepreneurs and youth across the country. So let's know about the SWAYATT initiative. So SWAYATT was launched on 19th of Feb 2019 under the Government e-Marketplace, which is also known as GEM portal, to promote inclusive public procurement. What was the main objective? The initiative aims to enable startups, women entrepreneurs, youth, micro small enterprises, self-help groups to participate directly in the government procurement through the GEM digital platform. And the SWAYATT addresses key barriers faced by emerging enterprises, including access to market, finance, and value addition, thereby expanding opportunities in the public procurement. And the initiative impact is reflected in the significant growth in participation as well as transaction value across these seller segments on the government e-marketplace. And you can also remember the special women entrepreneurs are encouraged to participate under the GEM portal. So participation of the women entrepreneurs increased significantly, with cumulative order value increased to 83,000 to 323 crore in financial year 2026. So this was very important because in 2018-19, this cumulative order value was only 1265.62 crore. But now in 2026, the cumulative value is 83,323 crore. Even startup participation also expanded strongly. Cumulative order value now increased to 54,000 crore almost in financial year 26. Earlier, it was only 497.24 crore, 24 crore in 2018-19. So the value has increased so much, like 54,500 crore or almost 54,000 crore. Even some dedicated storefronts such as Startup Runway and Womania Initiative was also launched further to strengthen this ecosystem by enhancing discoverability among lakhs of government buyers across the country. Womania Initiative was very helpful, a dedicated section that showcases products from women-led enterprises and self-help groups. And Startup Runway, a platform where startups can list innovative products directly for government procurement, benefiting from exemptions like no prior turnover and no prior experience. So these outcomes highlight how SWAYATT has enabled emerging enterprises to scale their participation in the government procurement through digital access, transparent processes, and direct market linkages. Through sustained capacity building and outreach, government e-marketplace continues to expand opportunities at the grassroots level. So over the past 7 years, SWAYATT has demonstrated how technology-driven procurement can expand equitable access, truly making the invisible invincible in public procurement. So very important, you can also see 83,000 plus crore order value. Earlier, this was very less. This was just 1265.62 crore in financial year 2018-19. and even 54,000 plus crore, 54,000 crore order value for startup participation. This is now increased. Earlier it was only 497.24 crore, or you can say just 500 crore. Now, what is government e-marketplace? You can also remember that government e-marketplace was launched on 9th of August 2016 by the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and it is an online portal and public procurement platform. And government e-marketplace operate as a contactless, paperless and cashless procurement marketplace, replacing the directed journal of supplies and disposals. It has been envisaged as National Procurement Portal of India, and the procurement is basically controlled through government e-marketplace and was mandatory by the Ministry of Finance under the Rule 149 of the General Finance Rules 2017. And the platform is developed and managed by Government e-Marketplace Special Purpose Vehicle, a Section 8 company under the Companies Act of 2013, serving as India's national public procurement portal. So this was very important topic. So just remember from this slide, and you can revise, that this is the 7th anniversary of SWAYATT Initiative. This is Startup, Women and Youth Advantage through the e-transactions, and it is organized by Ministry of Commerce and Industry under the Government e-Marketplace Special Purpose Vehicle. It was launched on 19th of February 2019. So the main objective is to promote inclusive public procurement for startups, women entrepreneurs, youth, micro small enterprises and small help groups. Main focus area: to assess to the market, assess to finance, assess to value addition. So cumulative order value for the women rose to 83,000 crore approximately in financial year 26, and also for the startups, almost 50,000 crore for the startups. And you can also remember about Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Who is the Union Minister? Union Minister is Piyush Goyal ji. Piyush Goyal ji. Constituency is Mumbai North, Maharashtra. And who is the Minister of State? Minister of State is Jitin Prasada ji. And constituency is Pilibhit, and Pilibhit is in Uttar Pradesh. So I hope you like this video. You can retain this for a long time if you watch this video again and again. Please like this video and share this video as maximum as possible. So this is all for today. Please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching this video. And you can subscribe our all platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn and Telegram channel. All the official notifications delivered through the Telegram channel. So just subscribe from the description box link. Thank you guys. Take care and bye-bye.